If you're skipping out on cartilage day in your home gym, your knee joints won't be as strong and lubricated as they could be, and that could lead to injury or arthritis. Fortunately, Keil says that many of the strength training moves and cardio bursts you already love fortify the cartilage in your knee joint, with one caveat. The rules are a little bit different for a knee that's damaged, meaning, exercises that would normally produce cartilage health may not apply if the knee has been surgically repaired or something like that. If that sounds like you, it's best to work with your physical therapist or doctor to find out whether exercises for cartilage are the right choice for your body. How to strengthen knee cartilage with exercise. Number 1. Run, run, run and run. Running has a bad representative for damaging your knees, but a new small study published Thursday in the Peerj challenges that long-held belief. A study on 22 young adults found that running actually induces a cartilage conditioning process that fortifies the connectivity tissue in your knee, so it might be time to get running if you're not already collecting miles. Number 2. Try side lunges. Now let's move laterally with those lunges. Pour your weight into your right foot, and step your left foot to the left as you push your butt backward. Keep your back straight. Use the power of your right leg and glute to bring your left foot back to center. Repeat on the opposite side. Number 3. Do some lunges. Squat variations abound, but Keil says you can start helping your knee cartilage with the most basic version. Step one leg back so that both legs form a 90-degree angle. Make sure your knee's directly above your ankle, and your core is engaged. Step your back foot forward and switch sides. Number 4. Drop into squats. Keil names squats as another move that places a load on the knee joint and prompts that cartilage to grow. To complete a squat, bring your feet hip-width apart, and sit back so that your thighs come parallel to the ground. Only go as far as you can without rounding your back. Number 5. Start swimming. Swimming allows exercising of the knees with low pressure on joints. It can reduce stiffness and pain in the knees and help to strengthen the bones. Swimming for half an hour to 1 hour, alternate days a week, can help to reduce knee problems. If the pain continues, then consult your doctor immediately. Knee pain can limit your mobility and can have an effect on your quality of life. You can try these tips to strengthen your knees, to avoid future injuries and for better well-being. Talk to your doctor before starting any exercise or supplements or in case of persistent pain. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.